I love events like this. I love smaller community-run events because they have so much soul, and especially in crypto, this is where you find the real good stuff and the real amazing people and the little gems. But she's
Every time you see a new face at the Web3 conference, it means a lot because it means the space and especially the Romanian community in Web3 is growing.
The panels were amazing, the speakers were amazing, and they come with a lot of expertise.
It's a great way to meet the local community. That's why we're here. We're super proud to support ETHCluj.
It's a beautiful place. I'm really grateful to be there. I had some of the best support for my talk. And yeah, see you next year.